Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone V30 with sleek design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED curved display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch-hole display. Resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, approximately 93% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 453 ppi pixel density, 2800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and with shot alpha glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OmniVision OV50e main camera, along with 50 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with ring LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.63 GHz single-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.4 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.36 by 75.1 by 7.45 millimeters, and it weighs around 186 grams. The color options each with a different finish. The Bloom White version has a 3D petal pattern, the Waving Aqua has a rippling magnetic particle effect, the Lush Green is a color-changing version, and the Noble Black has fluorite ag glass colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. No specific details about the price yet, but the phone will be available soon in more than 30 markets, including India, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Pakistan, Egypt, and the UAE, etc. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Vivo V30 smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.